Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add your location on the SHEIN application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Now tap on the Me icon down below, which is the last option. Click on Settings that you can find at the top of the screen. Tap on Location, which is the third section. And then you should select your location either by scrolling down until you find the relevant one from this vast variety of options here, or you have the chance to type it in, thereby searching for it more easily, and it's much quicker. So tap on this search box at the top and just simply type it in, select the relevant one, and as you can see, it has been updated. So feel free to change it anytime by going back to this section. That's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.